Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the mirror camera issue in the Monkey app. First, open your browser and go to the Monkey app website. Right now, I am using the OBS camera and as you can see, the camera is mirrored. To fix this, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the Monkey app extension and once you find it, add it to your browser. After installing the extension, go back to the Monkey app and refresh the page. Now you can see that the mirror problem is fixed. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.